Street light installation services by Dream Splendor Solutions. At Dream Splendor Solutions, we specialize in professional street light installation that enhances security, visibility, and aesthetic value for roads, estates, commercial areas, and communities. Our services include installation of solar-powered and electric streetlights, high mast and pole mounting, wiring and electrical connections, timers, sensors and smart lighting integration, maintenance and replacement of faulty components. Whether it's a government project, estate development, or private infrastructure, our team delivers durable, energy-efficient lighting solutions tailored to your needs. Best quality products. Reliable, cost-effective, environmentally friendly. Let's light up your streets the right way. Contact us today. Call, WhatsApp, 07040436000 and 091247955693. Email, dreamsplendorsolutions@gmail.com. Website, www.dreamsplendorsolutions.com.